So, hello, this one is a response to Destination Linux Podcast episode 143. I love the show, but I respectfully disagree with the comments on Arch getting too difficult to install. Now, I'm no way an authority on this, but I read through the archive of the Arch dev public mailing list for this change, and there have been some concern among the developers for making it too difficult for Arch beginners. But it seems to me, however, that the consensus is that Arch does not try to be a popular distribution. They have a niche as their target audience, and basically they are doing their best to serve that specific target audience and not the general public. And if you think about it, Arch Linux follows this philosophy of not altering anything from upstream. So they don't theme, they don't configure. The user needs to be able to do that, not just select the packages to use, but also configure them for their hardware, for their workflow. And if you are not comfortable with the installation through the command line following the wiki, then you will have a lot of uncomfortable moments with Arch in the future too. And this is not something in a fine print, so this is everywhere in their homepage. It's a do-it-yourself distribution. And the same goes for third-party installers and video tutorials. The only officially supported method is following the installation guide on the wiki. If you make a tutorial or a script for others to use, it's on you to keep it up to date and support the people who use them. And so I hope I didn't come across as rude and condescending. I'm not an authority on this or anything, but I came to Arch as a Windows-only user, and with a lot of reading, trial and error, and patience on a virtual machine, of course, I have finally have a very nicely running Arch Linux on my PC, and this is a very satisfying thing to have. So, peace out, and bye-bye.